The Eyond-Range Loss Alert Drone EY-001 is equipped with a high-quality 4K camera that can be adjusted up to 90 degrees, offering stunning aerial photography and videography capabilities. With a remarkable flight time of 40 minutes, this drone comes with 2 durable batteries to ensure prolonged flying sessions without frequent recharging. The robust brushless motor and optical flow positioning technology provides stable and smooth flights, even in windy conditions, enhancing the overall flying experience. Comprehensive instructional videos and responsive customer service make this drone particularly learner-friendly, ensuring that users can easily master its operation. The app-controlled drone offers innovative features such as gesture photography, 360-degree flips, and a variety of flight modes, making it versatile for creative uses. Indoor obstacle avoidance and VR screen mode further add to its appeal, making it a suitable choice for both beginners and more experienced drone enthusiasts.